Now we're back with the second part, and we're updating to 5933, I think it is, on the DVT4. So the first thing you need to do is get these two little files. So we don't actually need the XDK setup 533 file. That is not useful to us, not at all. We actually want the XDK recovery 5933 external, which, well, first you want to make sure you're on the right network as your Xbox, because if you're not, you're going to have trouble. So for parallels, you just head along to network adapter and use a bridge network on just default, and that works fine. And then it'll give your little virtual machine access to the same network. So we called this other one Dave. So if we click into this, so we're running Windows 7. It doesn't seem to work very well in Windows 10, if at all. Of course I want to run it. So then we just sort of jump through the hoops. Now it's found Mean Machine as the destination Xbox, which was what Dave used to be called, so that's fair. So we'll just press next and see what happens. It doesn't work. Alright, we'll try Dave, just typing Dave. Well, there you go. And I can also reset the Xbox settings to default states. That's kind of fun. Should I do that? Yeah, let's do that. So that'll start running over here, and then your Xbox will actually restart. And there you go. It's actually running through and doing some updates. So it's probably just copying everything across to the hard drive over the network. So as that runs along, over here, it's doing much the same. I apologise if this is out of focus. This is, I don't know where my camera stand is. So it takes quite a while to run. So we'll sit here and enjoy. It actually took me a while to work out how to get the I was looking for a some sort of bootable disk that I could just run straight on the Xbox and give me 5933, but it turned out that just wasn't to be, so I used 5849 as the bootable media to give it a bit of a fresh start on this new hard drive. And it seems to work pretty well. It's actually quite impressive. Yeah, it does warn not to power off or reboot. I'd imagine if you did power off or reboot accidentally, through no fault of your own, of course, you didn't accidentally trip on the power cord, you could just run the installer DVD again for 5849. Yeah. So the progress bar is at approximately 40% by the looks. Just got to get those fonts across. Pinger. Well, I thought it was funny. Sounds like the mailman just passed. Ooh. Ooh. So we're nearly at the end over here. Just clicking along. Any minute now. It's right at the end on the other one. It's got to be done. That's it. It's done. Finish. Do something else. Xbox Dash. That sounds important. Oh, where is it finding all these things? Really is a beautiful piece of hardware. Oh, there's those cool sample things. There's a reboot. It says on the computer it's finished the installation, which is promising. And we're back here at the old setup screen. So that one's all done. Finish. And you never have to use it again. And we head back over here, and since we reset everything to factory defaults, apparently, except for Dave, it's still called Dave down the bottom. That's fine. Yep, everything's there. We'll load up the old Dolphin Classic. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Of course, I can't reset it again because I don't have enough fingers. We're back at the I'll just jump over to the dashboard. And we'll just have a quick look through here. And now that this is all done, we can move on to getting it to run signed games, because at the moment it'll only run unsigned games, which is annoying, because you can't actually play. If you've got a rip of your game that you own legally, and you have a backup, and you try and copy that backup across, it won't work. It just will not work. So you need something that can patch that on the fly, I think. Yeah, because it's done on the fly, then it just changes a flag somewhere in the code, and computer hackers and whatnot. But there we go. So that's pretty cool. I'll just check the memory. What's it? Not terribly exciting. But in the... let me see if I can... Nope. I can't jump back quickly. So power off, power back on. And what you normally do here is, I think, load Unleash. Unleash X from this menu here. And from there it opens up your world of Xbox into everything. Yeah. And there's also a way to get... yeah, I'll do that in the next video, so stay tuned. There's always more to come. Thanks for watching. McRetro out.